AT&T U-verse boxes communicate their status through LED indicator lights. Understanding these light patterns is crucial for diagnosing issues with your service. Green lights on your U-verse box indicate different operational states. A solid green light means everything is working normally and all systems are functioning properly. A flashing green light typically means your box is booting up or receiving a software update. This is normal during startup and should resolve within a few minutes. A slow green flash indicates network connectivity issues or signal problems. This suggests your box is having trouble communicating with AT&T's network. Now let's examine red light patterns, which typically indicate more serious issues that require attention. A solid red light indicates a critical system failure or hardware malfunction. This is the most serious indicator and usually requires technical support or equipment replacement. A flashing red light suggests a service interruption or authentication failure. This means your box cannot properly connect to AT&T's service network. The most complex pattern is alternating green and red lights, which indicates network configuration problems. This suggests issues with your connection settings or network setup. U-verse boxes use IPTV technology, which requires a stable broadband connection, proper network configuration, and authentication with AT&T's content delivery network. Understanding these light patterns helps you quickly identify what type of issue you're experiencing. When your U-verse box shows flashing green and red lights, follow these systematic troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. Step 1. Power cycle your U-verse box. This simple restart often resolves temporary software glitches and connection issues. Step 2. Check all cable connections. Loose or damaged cables are a common cause of signal problems and flashing lights. Step 3. Reset your AT&T gateway or modem. This refreshes the network connection and can resolve authentication issues. Step 4. Check your signal strength. Poor signal quality below -7 dBmV can cause connection problems and flashing lights. Step 5. Perform a factory reset if previous steps haven't worked. This returns the box to original settings and can resolve persistent software issues. Step 6. As a last resort, attempt firmware recovery. This forces the box to download fresh firmware, but contact AT&T support if this process fails. These 6 troubleshooting steps resolve most U-verse flashing light issues. Start with the simple power cycle and work through each step systematically. If problems persist after firmware recovery, professional technical support may be needed.